Before starting with the course, let's first set up the needed tools and environment so that our workspace will be comfortable and convenient for performing the best JavaScript work possible. Throughout this course, we are going to use Google Chrome. It's the best browser for web development. It has the fastest engine and is used by over 82% of people. It's one of the best choices out there. So, if you don't already have it, here's how you can download it. Just go to google.com/Chrome. There, you will be greeted with this page and you can just download it for any operating system. One of the best reasons to use Chrome is because of its amazing developer tools. Developer tools allow you to do a range of things, from inspecting currently loaded HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to showing which assets the page has requested and how long they took to load. You can open DevTools in any browser by right-clicking the site and clicking Inspect right here. This is going to open the developer tools. You can also use the shortcut Command-Option-J on Mac or F12 on Windows. So you can see this is the Chrome DevTools. Now let's close it and try using the shortcut. So one more time, Command-Option-J on Mac. Let's see if it's going to open it. And it does. And you can do the same thing on Windows with F12. That's it. Let's close these warnings here and let's explain what developer tools are. In essence, developer tools window is very intuitive and you will easily get used to it, as it has all standard bars like console, elements, sources, and so on. We're going to use them throughout this course. Let's test out the console section. In there, you can execute JavaScript code. And that's the place where all of our console logs are going to be visible. We're going to use it a lot. This is going to be the first line of code that we're going to write. So you can say console.log and then wrap it in parentheses. And inside of there, in quotes, you can write anything you want. People usually do hello world. So if you take that and press enter, you can see we've just written our first line of code and we can see it right there. Of course, we are going to do much more interesting stuff later on. With this, we now have the ability to see websites we can create. But using which tools can we create them? Code Editor is a program that lets you write and edit code. Theoretically, you could use Notepad, which you get with your Windows or TextEdit on Mac, to edit and write code. But people have created much better alternatives which give you a lot of settings, themes, code highlighting, easy navigation through documents, and much more. You're free to choose from various code editors available, like Atom, Sublime, Brackets, but in this course, we'll bet on Visual Studio Code created by Microsoft. It has the largest community, great support, and a huge variety of extensions, plugins, and themes which you can use and experiment with. So, how can you download Visual Studio Code? You can just Google Visual Studio Code download. And as you can see, you can download it on Mac, Linux, or Windows. Let's open the link and see what we have in there. We can close the console. As you can see, with just one click, you can download it for your operating system, and the process of installation is going to be pretty straightforward. Once you install it, we're going to go through a quick Visual Studio Code tutorial.